My name is Grant Newstead. I am an employee of Easy Tiger. What I used to do was a bartender. It has completely changed. We are no longer open to the public in terms of dine-in options. So my main job, for the most part, is delivering orders to people's houses and apartments. We are taking a donation of bread to the Central Texas Food Bank that provides food and nourishment to folks in need. I do this almost once a day. When you place an order with us, you can pay $3 to donate a loaf of bread. Our goal is to get to 10,000 loaves. I think we're gonna need a few more of these carts. This is part of that process. People donate, we make it, and then take it on down to the food bank. He said, Easy Tiger's here. These guys are awesome. I was not here yesterday, no. Just tell my mother that.
You guys always come with great attitude and
oh yeah?
And the willing to help. That's wonderful. I appreciate that. It only takes a little bit to help.
A lot. A lot.
This ain't even half of it then, right?
No, this is actually, for all our to-go orders and pickup orders, we put an option for people to pay $3 and we'll bake a loaf and donate it. The $3 is basically just doing it at cost. And that's what all of this is. It's good too. All right, buddy, well, have a good day. Thank you. Whoa.